Hi guys, Greg from Complete Game Physical Therapy here. In today's video, I wanted to talk a little bit about telehealth and do a quick demo on what a telehealth visit would look like. At Complete Game, we're now offering telehealth to all existing patients and new patients. And the telehealth is covered under insurance. So now is a great time to take care of some of those aches and pains that maybe have been bothering you for a little while. Now that everybody's unfortunately a little more cooped up in the house, maybe a great time to take care of some of those things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shrink this screen here. And what will happen is when you contact us for a telehealth visit, we'll first find a time that's convenient for you that works with your schedule. We'll get you in the schedule and then we'll send you an email. And the email will look like this. It'll be, sent to you, titled something along the lines of PT visit. And you look in there, and this is what the invitation looks like. So we use GoToMeeting software for our video conferencing, and it's perfect for medical use. It's all HIPAA compliant, and we've had really good success with it. So you will click next on the Join My Meeting, and the next screen that will come up will look like this. So you'll see this screen. It'll have the little tab here where you can download the app, and I would recommend getting on and doing that before your PT visit. So, a little bit before the PT visit, it takes a few minutes to download. It just moves a little more smoothly if you can do that ahead of time. We'll go here to the opener. And the next screen that pops up here is a little preview screen. So typically your image would be right here. So the video will be taken of you, and you'll be in that little box there. It's not going to come up now because I'm using the video to create this video. So I'm just going to click on the OK, I'm ready. And this is what your conference will look like. So your picture will be up here. This will be you. And your therapist will be in the big area here, so you'll be able to see them. The two other things to kind of take note of here are these two, the camera tab and the mic tab. You just want to make sure that those are green. If they're not, you just click on them and they'll turn green, and you'll know that your camera's working and your mic's working. So from there, really the visit goes much like a regular PT visit would. You'll talk to your therapist. If it's your first time seeing the therapist, they'll get a detailed history, find out exactly what you want to get back to doing, find out about your injury or what's been going on, get your medical history, those sorts of things. If you're an existing patient, your therapist will be checking in on how you're doing, how your exercises are going, how you're progressing towards your goals. Then your therapist will see you move a little bit, check your range of motion, strength, those sorts of things, which we can do through video. And then we'll get you on an exercise program, doing some exercises and some stretches to help get you feeling better. And then we'll always wrap up our visits with a plan of exercises you should be doing and get you on a clear plan to reach the goals and get back to doing the things that you love. So that's kind of what a telehealth visit would look like. Sessions usually last anywhere from 20 minutes to 60 minutes, depending on where you are in the course of treatment. And that's about it. So if you have any questions or you want to book a visit, you can contact me at gcrossman@completegamept.com, or you can call into the office as well if you'd rather do that, 978-710-7204. Just leave a message and we'll get right back to you. And then other than that, just wishing everybody health out there, stay safe, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.